In this video, I will put you through on how to remove text, all right, from an image or a design, just free of charge. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to open your web browser, all right? You can use Chrome, you can use Edge, you can use any browser of your choice. But here, I want to work with Microsoft Edge. So I will double click on it for it to open. As the browser opens, visit this link, Pixelcut pixelcut.ai /AI dash image dash editor. All right, that will drop us to the page that will allow us to do what we want to do quickly. So as I have typed it, I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Now I am taken to this page directly. All right, so what you need to do is to click here where you have drop or choose image. I don't want to drop in this case. I want to choose image by myself. So I'll click on choose image. When you take that action, the file explorer of your computer will be open automatically. All right. If you are using maybe a smartphone, just once the browser is open, take the same step. It will open the file section of your phone. Then the next step is to navigate to where the image you want to erase text or from is. So I'll click on downloads. And look at this file here, computer 2. It's an image, all right? It's a graphics design. I'll click on that and then click on open. Once you do that, it will be placed here. Okay, now look at what I want to do. I want to erase this text computers and I want to erase this text Smart Anderson. All right, I want to make changes to this design. So click on this retouch. So once you click on the retouch, you will see the size of your cursor, as in the size of the brush. Yeah, that's the right term. So if the size is too big, maybe it will get into the nearby text or it will affect any of the, will I say, any of the pictures on the design. What you need to do is to go to this resize and drag it maybe back, all right? So that it will be small. If it's going to be too small, you drag it forward. So let me test again. You can see this is enough size for me to work on what I want to work on. So take your cursor to the text, all right? Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag. So that carefully do that so that it will erase all the text you want it to erase. Okay? All right. I think I got it correct in this case. Then once you're done highlighting the text, click on erase. But if you feel you made a mistake or you make a mistake when you're doing it, just click on undo. All right, click on undo. It will take you back to the previous state of the design. So I'll click on erase. And you can see the text is cleaned perfectly. All right. Then another thing I want to erase here is this word computers. So I would carefully take my cursor to that, to the first letter, and press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will start cleaning. All right. Start highlighting. Okay. Okay. I think I'm done highlighting very well. Then the next step is to click on erase. And that text is erased. Okay, it's as simple as that. And once that is done, you can download it into your PC. And for you to do that, click on the download button. Then it gives you two resolutions. This one is full. Once you're going with this, you need to sign in or create an account. Okay, but preview resolution is free. That is 756 by 1080. Okay, so it's your choice to make. But I think I will be good with this first option for the purpose of time. But if you want this, please do what I said. Okay, just click on this, create accounts with them, or sign in with your Google account. Okay, so I'll go with this. And you can see this has been downloaded. So let's get back to my page to see how it looks. To the file explorer, I'll click here. Now I'll click on downloads. And once I click on downloads, look at it here. Okay, now I'll double click on it. And you can see everything is clean.